It's so freaking impossible and rocket science to understand what's really going on in girl mind. You know that? Guys, how you all doing? Hope fine and great. So let's try to understand what's really going on in girl mind and what's with this. It's so hard for them to understand. For them, for usually what happened. I used to go to meet with my friend to his girlfriend. Okay, so she was his girlfriend, and I don't know how this happened. She found a reason to dump him. Okay, and once she dumped him, then she proposed me. I don't know how this happened. Always, I always make my image look bad guy. Like, I smoke, I do smoke, I give often abuse word. I don't understand. And this friend, he was very much, kind, humble, giving respect all the time to all women.
A woman isn't unattracted to a guy because he's nice. She's unattracted to the guy because he lacks other qualities which a woman not only is attracted to, but needs in order to feel good in a relationship. We could call these traits masculine traits. And the men within society who are traditionally labeled as nice guys, or worse, who identify with being a nice guy, genuinely tend to lack these traits.
One of my girl, she came to me and she said to me, I don't like the way you smoking all the time, you hurting yourself. And she was giving me example of how she lost her father because her father also was smoking, and her father died in early age just because he was smoking. So she hate the boy who smoke. So I don't understand, when she really hate the boy who smoke, why the hell she's coming toward me and she's saying me to not smoke? Simply, if I'm smoking, if I'm a bad guy, then she has no reason to talk to me, isn't it? Can you imagine? She's saying that she doesn't like boy who smoke, and she's coming toward me telling me on my face that, yeah, can you please stop smoking? I don't want you to hurt yourself. And she's not my girlfriend, and she's not even my friend. She's just a random girl who liked me. So I don't understand. Means how can you like me? And how can you not like me because I'm having cigarette at the same time? It doesn't make any sense. Even they self are so confused. The reason I'm telling you all this thing, because girls, it seems like these days, as per my experience, girls don't like to be behaved nicely. Speaking of girls don't like to be behaved nicely, let me tell you some story of mine. Before, I used to treat my girl like, she's my everything. And that's how I got a 40-time breakup. Now, as I've understood that girls are temporary, they come in life and they go. So now I don't take girls seriously, then my career, then my dream, my goals. I take my goals seriously, then I'm more of a goal guy than girls guy. So now the thing is, now they are being so serious to me. It means recently I had a breakup, and recently I just had a new girl. Usually I see girls like to exaggerate too much. I don't know why they like too much exaggeration. I don't know that. All I'm saying to all my brothers, that if you really want to keep your girl by your side all the time, is stop treating them so nicely. Okay, not all girls are same. Of course, not all girls are same. But still, I'll say that, don't show them that you are that into them, that they will be taking you as a granted. It's not about your girl. Don't take it personally. It's not about your girl. Means I don't want you to tell me that my girl is not like another girl and you have a bad experience. It's with trust me. It is like this. In relationship, one has to stand and one has to bow down. If you lean yourself in front of your girlfriend, then she's the one who gonna make you lean more and more. As much as it's so undigestible, it's true. It's true that you cannot respect, and you cannot get respect back. So things are like this. So just try to be neutral. Just don't show your girl, or if girls, then don't show to your man that you're completely into them. The moment your partner finds out that you are completely into them, that's when they start to show their real behavior. They think that no matter, I can do whatever with whatever with them, they're not gonna leave me. So stop trying to show them that you are completely into them. And human nature says, we like difficult things. We don't like easy thing. Like I'm giving you a live example. Okay, although to boy we need a pussy, and to girl they need a dick. Okay, but suppose like you sitting in restaurant having food. Okay, when girls comes with the clothes off, okay, with pussy completely see through, you can see their pussy. Are you gonna fuck that girl? No, straight. Any boy, suppose you take your dick out, is hanging in air. Do you think that any girl gonna talk to you? No, they're not gonna talk to you. Even though they need a dick, but you giving them directly, they don't like dick just directly, right? And same applies on boy. Like suppose you walking on the street, you see some girl naked sitting on the floor. Are you gonna fuck her? No, you're not gonna fuck her. You're not gonna fuck her. That's the thing is, we don't like things so easy. Exactly. So this is what it is. This is what it is. There is nothing we can do about it. We human like complicated thing we want. When we get easily, we don't value it. Okay. Right now, you might look for Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan autograph. The moment you start living with them, you don't want their autograph, okay? Or you won't be valuing them. You won't be treating them the way the way you can treat them right now. That's what I'm saying. Life is just like this. By understanding, we cannot change it. By understanding, we can just understand the understanding of it. That's all. By understanding, you cannot do anything. So the only thing I'm trying to say you, just leave the way things are going on. Just be happy and don't take things so seriously. Don't take things so seriously. If you really want to keep your girl by your side, just always follow this rule. Number one, don't treat her like a queen. Don't treat her like you are completely into her. You cannot live without her. Girl don't want that. Keep some attitude and self-respect always. Second, try to always improve yourself. Okay, when you treat yourself like however you want to be treated, first you treat yourself like that, only then she will treat you. If you treating yourself like a dog, you cannot expect her to treat you like a king. If you treat yourself like a king, so we'll see. That's all.